What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the Hoolest VeRelief. This is a vagus nerve stimulating device. And I will say, I've used different devices that connect to the ear, go on your wrist, and this is the third vagus nerve stimulating device that I've tested on Wellstar Reviews here on YouTube. And I will say, out of the other two devices, this being the third, this device is the strongest by far, by like head and shoulders above the other devices in terms of stimulating the vagus nerve and calming the vagus nerve. So what is the vagus nerve? The vagus nerve runs from your brain stem all the way down to your gut. It controls your brain, your cardiovascular system, and your gut. And there is your parasympathetic and your sympathetic nervous system. Your vagus nerve helps your body go from your sympathetic nervous system, which is your fight or flight response, to your parasympathetic response, which is the calm, rest, and digest state of your nervous system. This is the state of your nervous system where you recover from workouts faster, your digestive movements are healthier and more frequent, your brain is calmer and more zen, and just generally speaking, your nervous system is more relaxed. So what's cool about the Hoolest device, it's an auricular stimulating device to stimulate the vagus nerve, and you utilize it right under your ear on either side of your neck. And that's because this area stimulates your vagus nerve. And when you utilize the device, all that you do is you take off the top, and there are buttons here left to right. Right now, it's on a lower mode, which honestly for me is plenty enough. But you can go all the way to the higher mode here, all the way to the right. And for me, that would be way too intense. Honestly, the low mode is plenty for me. You put these little things in here. These are conductive, and when you have those in there, all you do is you take it and you put it under your ear, and you'll feel a tingling sensation here. I feel it all the way up to, well, I feel it kind of right here, but I feel it, within this sort of region, like a pocket right here. And when I do this, what you'll notice is that your breathing will become more rhythmic and more calm. Your heart rate will calm down, and your body and your nervous system will just simply stabilize overall. So you just sit here and do this for about 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes on both sides, and you feel the effects of it very quickly. In fact, I already feel a little bit calmer just from that 30 seconds or whatever it was. And you want to make sure to get it in the right place, however, because if you don't get it in the right place, you won't really feel that tingling, buzzing sensation. So I will say it's a little bit tricky when you get started. Like right now, I'm trying to kind of find it again. It's right under your ear, and it's a line. And you also want to make sure that both of those, these are the conductive, like little gel rounded things. You want both of those to touch your skin, because sometimes I put it on and I'll have like one on and be like, oops, I got to hold both of them to your skin. So hold them both under your ear, and you can do that on either side. And by simply doing this, your vagus nerve will be stimulated, and I can feel the tingling. It just kind of kicks in. Your vagus nerve will go into your parasympathetic response, and it will really calm your nervous system. So what I've been doing the last few nights actually is I'll take this out at night, and I'll go lay in a little cushioned outdoor furniture lawn chair thing, and I'll just lay out there and kind of like sit around the plants, and there's dim lighting. I have my blue blocker glasses on, and I utilize the VeRelief on both sides, my right side and my left side, to stimulate my vagus nerve and really just calm my body to get into that parasympathetic response and to really just calm my body overall. I've noticed that my sleep quality has improved. In fact, last night I had some of the best sleep I've had in weeks, and I did this for a longer period of time last night. So this is going to reduce anxiety, improve your sleep health, keep your brain in a calm state, and also improve your physical recovery. So if you go to the gym or you have a physically strenuous job, doing this helps your body to get into that parasympathetic state so you can rest and relax and digest. And remember, your body cannot heal if you're not in your parasympathetic state, if you're not in your rest and digest state. So resting and digesting means your body is able to rest, and it's able to digest food and assimilate nutrients more effectively and efficiently. So out of the 3 vagus nerve stimulating devices I've tested, the VeRelief from Hoolest is the strongest device I've used. In fact, I haven't really gone much past the 2 bars, and there's 5. So I'll go like to 2, and for me, like I put it on and I instantly feel that. So for me, 2 is enough. But I will say, I don't have a super stressful life, but for some people, you have a higher stress life. Maybe you just had a baby, maybe your job or business is very stressful. So for you, maybe you'll need to go a little bit higher on this device to get a little bit more of that stimulation with your vagus nerve to go into that rest and digest and parasympathetic state. But I will say you can use this at any time. You could sit on the couch at night and use it. I like to sit outside and just breathe some fresh air. And it works so well. And it really, really, really just calms your body and calms your nervous system and gets you into a very calm state so that you can sleep better, your brain works better, your nervous system is calm, and you just feel good. You just feel like you can take on things much more effectively because your body is in a calm state. And when we're in a calm state, we make wiser choices and decisions as well. So, and I like alternating to the right and left side. What else is interesting, and I don't know if there's any research here, I'd actually be curious for Hoolest to tell me this, but you also have lymphatic drainage within your neck from your glymphatic system. Your glymphatic system is the lymphatic system of your head, of your brain. And while you're sleeping, your glymphatic system drains fluid, which you want. It removes things from your body. And I just have a hunch that by utilizing this, and I'm not making a claim here and the company doesn't claim this, so don't run with this, but I just believe that that stimulation of the vagus nerve on either side is helping those lymphatic vessels to drain better as well, which is vitally important for your brain health as you age. So I love this device. I love how portable it is too. It's so small. It charges with a phone cord, and to turn it off, it's magnetic. You just put the cap on so you can't leave it on, which is brilliant. I love that because sometimes I'll leave devices on and the battery dies and I'm like, I gotta charge it and now I can't use it. But with this, when you're done, you always put the cap on so your battery doesn't die and it lasts longer. And it's so portable. I mean, you can put that in your pocket. You can put this in your car. You can take this with you on flights. If you have stress and you want to improve your digestive health, your brain health, your nervous system health, and your physical recovery, grab a Hoolest from VeRelief. This device is incredible. Like I said, it's the strongest vagus nerve stimulating device I've used thus far. And I don't think there's anything stronger, to be frank. I really don't. I've seen most of the devices out there. The 3 that I tested are all on this channel here. And this one is I've noticed the strongest physiological response in my body. So check out the link below if there's any discount codes. I'll put that link below in the description, as well as discount codes to other health and wellness products. So check all that out below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn and see more health and wellness product reviews, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments and questions below, and I'll answer them when I see them. Have an amazing day. Bye.